hang up his coat.
It's squat. Now watch this. Now, this is a woman.
I don't know. What I've been trying to find out is how babies get born.
Oh, this is an advanced class, huh? Well, you know how chickens and birds lay eggs?
No.
Well, they lay them in the nest. And they keep them warm with their feathers until the babies peck open the eggshells and hop out.
I didn't hop out of no eggshell.
Of course not. It wouldn't work with people. Now, what would happen if people sat down on their eggs and tried to keep them warm enough to hatch?
They bust.
Certainly.
And besides, who's got feathers?
Well, no one in ours does. So instead, women keep a nest inside of them, where the eggs are warm and safe. And when the baby's old enough, it's born ready-made, like this.
Pretty good system.
Oh, I'm glad you approve. Now we won't have to change it.
But how do the babies get in? Why don't they smother?
Now, let me see. Well, you know how a deep-sea diver gets air through a hose?
Yeah?
A baby gets air in practically the same way, except through an artery. You see, the blood carries the oxygen through the artery to the baby. The mother's heart is the pump.
It might work. But how do they put the hoses on a baby? He don't wear no diving helmet, does he?
Oh, no. No, they're plugged into the baby's navel like an electric toaster into a socket. That's what your belly button was for.
I always wondered what the heck that was doing in.
Did you now? Well, now you know.
May I join in, or am I too young?
The mister was learning me about babies. He's okay.
Really?
Everybody else I ever asked, they wash my mouth out with soap. Thanks, mister.
Oh, think nothing of it. Wait till we get to the birds and the bees. That's really interesting.
What's that supposed to be?
A woman.
It's a very full like that.
I had to draw it from memory.
That's what generally happens.